O-Level IGCSE Computer Science.
First of all, remember, in the case of computer science, the O-Level and IGCSE syllabus content, papers, and their style are the same. The objective of the syllabus includes understanding computational and thinking skills, principles of problem solving, using high-level language, understanding parts of computers, the internet, and other communication means, use of automation, and new emerging technologies. There are 2 papers. Paper 1 allowed time is 1 hour 45 minutes and will have 50% weightage. Its total marks are 75. It will consist of short and structured questions. Questions will be based on topics 1 to 6 of the subject content. All questions are compulsory. Please note that calculators are not permitted. Paper 2 also has same duration, marks, and weightage. It will also consist of short and structured questions from syllabus content numbers 7 to 10. However, 1 question will be included from the given scenario. All questions are compulsory and calculators are not permitted. Paper 1 questions consist of data representation, data transmission, hardware, software, the internet and automation, and emerging technologies. Paper 2 syllabus contents are algorithm design, programming logic, databases, and digital logic. Students will need to learn any one of the languages from Python, VB.NET, and Java. Advantages of taking computer science in O or IGCSE level. Number 1, convenience in studying A-level and post-A-level if computer science subject is taught. Number 2, usual A-long cramming is not required. Number 3, students can score very good grades if their problem-solving ability is good.